What is going on, my family? Djnmedia in the spot. And today, as y'all can see, we got a spoiler that is about to go on this butt naked ass trunk. This trunk is butt ass naked and it needs some modifications. So I'm gonna show you guys pretty much how to install it. I had installed one last time. I'm pretty sure I might have seen it, but I fucking did some dumb shit. Glued it and didn't screw it in like how I did my first one. And I was going like probably a buck on the highway.
Sean, what's up? TKM.
And drawing flew out. So excuse my ashy ass hands, god damn. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and start installing it. The first step is going to be for me, probably holes in this shit. So we're gonna get some holes in the trunk. And from there, we should be good. Once we get the holes, we'll use those holes to kind of close it up. If there aren't already holes in it, and then yeah. So let's go ahead and get a drill and fit it up and do all that good shit. All right, y'all. So what I went ahead and did is put these screws that come with it. Go ahead and bolt them in there and sit it right on the trunk. And you're gonna scratch your trunk, or go ahead and scratch the trunk with that, so you get to see where you're gonna be drilling down on. So now I'm gonna take my drill, this little bit on here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just make a hole in it. All right, y'all. So we got 2 holes made. I could do a third one, but I think I'm gonna just do these 2 for now. And shit was a fucking pain in the ass. But I just used my drill bit. Now we're gonna open up the trunk. And we're gonna pretty much fasten the shit down. What I'm about to do, I'm about to see if these line up for Shirley. So let's go ahead and line up the bolts and see if they clip on. Alright, y'all. So as you can see, we have a little fitment issue.
What the fuck is that?
Going on. But is it on? Yes. So let me see if we fasten it down. Will it still be like this, or do I need to go ahead and move these bolts up a little bit? All right, y'all, so that was not good fitment at all. I mean, it was decent, but no. So what we gotta do is bring this hole up here and bring this hole up here, and we should be Gucci, and the middle should sit a lot more flat. Again, with this drill bit I was using, and go ahead and make 2 new holes. All right, y'all, so we finally fucking got the right holes, because it's the actual correct holes. So drill holes right here and right here for the spoiler zone. But this one is a little bit too far to the right. I gotta come a little bit this way. So we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna actually put the fucking thing on and too far over. All right, y'all, it is officially installed. This shit is sitting stupid flush now. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. Some hole. This shit, bro. Oh, no more booty butt naked. It just woke the back up. Boys, no freaking. Man, hey y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Just wanted to show you guys how to install these spoilers. I know there's I think there's probably a couple videos out there, to be honest. I kind of just did it off of just looking at it. You could kind of tell what you need to do, because I remember when I saw my first one, I got to see the person actually do it for me. So, man, this shit, man, this looks tough. It's like a real, type track build and a real like project daily car. So we're gonna cut the resonator right at the cat. So right after the cat. So it's literally just gonna be damn near cat. Well, it's gonna still be catted, but straight pipe, of course. So y'all stay tuned, man. Djmedia, I love y'all. Say goodbye, Papa.
Nigga, get that shit out my face.
Ah, yeah, he said bye. Shit. Dang, y'all. Beauty past there. But, man, I wanted to show you how this motherfucker sitting. This motherfucker jolly look nice as shit. This shit, oh, see. Oh, Lord. This really adds crazy aesthetic to the bed. Crazy aesthetic. Shit. So we're gonna do the bumper cut tomorrow and a resonator delete as well. And we're gonna just, you know, keep going with it. As y'all can see, man, the tint don't look too bad, but I just want to end off the video here. Love y'all, man. Djmedia, out of here.